Lake Champlain provides many benefits to Vermont and local communities, yet the lake faces many challenges. One of those challenges is cyanobacteria. This video will provide an overview of cyanobacteria blooms, also known as harmful algal blooms. It will describe what cyanobacteria blooms are, why they are in Lake Champlain, and how they are considered a serious issue because of the risks they pose to human, ecological, and economic health. Also known as blue-green algae, cyanobacteria are naturally occurring in Vermont's lakes and rivers, but they become problematic when in the presence of excess phosphorus. When there's too much phosphorus in the water, cyanobacteria can reproduce quickly to form surface scums in dense populations known as blooms, as seen here. This is especially true during the warm days of late summer and early fall. Blooms have different appearances based on the conditions. They could look like this, or even like this. There are a number of reasons why there is excess phosphorus in Lake Champlain, including fertilizer and manure runoff from agricultural fields, forested lands, and stream bank instability. Developed lands and wastewater treatment facilities also contribute to annual phosphorus loading. In addition, changes in weather caused by climate change, such as an increase in storm intensity, will likely exacerbate phosphorus loading by as much as 15%. Swimming or wading in water with cyanobacteria may cause minor skin rashes, sore throats, diarrhea, stomach problems, or more serious health problems. Children and pets are at higher risk of exposure because they are more likely to play near the shoreline and drink water while swimming. Pets can also lick and swallow cyanobacteria that may be caught in their fur. The blooms also can produce toxins that pose a risk to people who eat contaminated fish or drink contaminated water, and many Vermont communities get drinking water from the lake, including Burlington, Colchester, and Shelburne. Monitoring by state agencies has not detected toxins associated with cyanobacteria blooms in any tested public drinking water facility for at least 6 years. Cyanobacteria blooms also harm the environment. The same toxins produced by blooms that can harm humans can also harm or kill fish, seabirds, and marine mammals. Some harmful algae blooms also directly kill fish by lodging in their gills. The large accumulation of biomass associated with blooms can block light from entering the water and deplete oxygen, indirectly harming or killing fish and other aquatic organisms. Additionally, cyanobacteria blooms can disrupt the food web by causing physiological stress and increasing susceptibility to disease, which could lead to reduced biodiversity and increased habitat degradation. Studies have shown that lower water quality in Lake Champlain impacts the state's economy by lowering property values, disrupting recreation, and decreasing tourism revenue. A 2015 study estimated that decreasing summer water clarity associated with blooms could cost the state the equivalent of 195 full-time jobs, a reduction in money brought in by tourism of $12.6 million, and a total economic reduction of nearly $16.8 million. Monitoring and management activities also cost the state a significant amount each year. We know this information can be a bit overwhelming, but there is hope. There are plenty of actions that individuals, groups, and the government can take to help address the serious issue of cyanobacteria blooms. We will provide details on some of these efforts in a future video.